Let's learn how to create a TECHPACK on Sewport. Let's check out this very useful tool that will help you create a TECHPACK for your production or project. In the navigation bar, click on TECHPACK icon. If you haven't created any TECHPACKs in your profile yet, click on the plus sign to create a new one. In the pop-up window, give a name to your TECHPACK and choose a shape from our integrated gallery or upload your own. Add measurements of your garment. Click on the arrow in the small icon menu on the left side above the image. On the right side of the picture, add a name to the value, initial size, and in the tolerance field, allow deviations. This way, you can add all the necessary measurements of the garment. Below the specifications box, upload reference images of garments or any other necessary files. In the lower menu, you can customize fields about the garment, such as collection, description, fabrics, style name, style numbers, color, or enter your own value. To add a new field to this box, click on plus sign, and it will be added to the list. To delete the field, click on a trash sign. After you complete all the necessary steps, go to the small icon menu on the left side of the page above the image. Click on a floppy disk icon and it will save your TECHPACK, which you can edit later on or save as a PDF file. To save it as a PDF file on your computer, click on the PDF icon on your TECHPACK and it will generate a PDF file that you can use later on.